Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming essentials. Connect the Blink app to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and make sure signal strength is good. Once done, charge cameras until battery shows above 50% and plug in the sync module, because unstable power causes pairing failures. Next, open the app, sign in, and grant location and push notification permissions so alerts reach you. Follow on-screen prompts to add a new device and scan the camera QR code. This begins the pairing sequence immediately. Once your camera appears, name it clearly and assign it to a system and location so you can find footage fast. Then adjust motion sensitivity and draw activity zones to focus detection where motion matters. This cuts false alerts and saves battery. Make sure to set a recording schedule for quiet hours and choose video quality and clip length according to your data plan. Finally, run a live view test, walk through the frame, and confirm clips record and notifications arrive as expected. Finish by running final verification. Send test notifications, review recent cloud clips, and monitor battery drain over a day to spot anomalies. Make sure cameras are mounted securely, angles are tightened, and cables are hidden to prevent tampering, because placement affects detection and reliability. If something goes wrong, reboot your router, power cycle the sync module, and retry the QR scan. This fixes most pairing issues. If problems persist, check Wi-Fi channel congestion or move the camera closer until the connection stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.